Welcome to our Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating seashells art for 25 years. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send a message. And for today, DIY we will create this beautiful seashells like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, airbrush, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand. Tonna Shell, bare conch, Aluco Vertagus Mid Cut shell, Aluco Vertagus Side Cut shell, Capis leaf shaped shell, and Clamrose. Glue the little bare conch below bottom of the Tonna shell. Let's put a white glue for more security of the shell. Let's put sand to cover up the white glue. Styro ball into square and put inside of the Tonna shell. Glue on the top of styro, then put sand for more security. Put a white glue and clean wrap. Put the tip of the cut shell into the glue and make it circular. Then glue again using hot glue for more security. Do it again on the next layer, and put the shell slide up. Then spray into color yellow. Then glue the dried sunflower stamen, or a pair of Clamrose for the stamen of the flower shell. Insert wire to the shell, then bend and twist it so that it will hold. Then ready to spray into color green. Insert wire to Aluco Vertagus Mid Cut shell, then bend and twist it so that it will hold. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.